Find features that distinguish it from other brands for WYBOT M100 Automatic Robotic Pool Vacuum Cleaner. And why you should buy choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because full pool coverage. The WYBOT M100 is the epitome of cutting-edge pool cleaning technology. With high-precision gyroscope and infrared sensors, it intelligently maps your pool's shape and size, ensuring efficient and thorough cleaning. Achieving an impressive 95% pool coverage, it leaves no corner untouched, meticulously cleaning the floor, walls, and waterline. Experience unparalleled cleanliness with the WYBOT M100. Remote app control. The WYBOT M100 always provide reliable remote access. With the app, you can easily schedule weekly cleaning, select cleaning modes, check the water temperature, manually control the cleaning path, and receive timely status information from the robot cleaner. Focused cleaning you can count on. No more worries about stubborn dirt in your pool. With the WYBOT M100, precise cleaning is at your fingertips. Using the app-controlled manual mode, effortlessly target specific areas that need extra attention. The M100 intelligently addresses different levels of contamination, providing a more efficient and precise cleaning experience exactly where it's needed. Designed for oversized in-ground pools, this wired pool robot is advanced brushless motor packs a punch with up to 100 watt of power. Equipped with the powerful active scrubbing brush, it delivers unmatched suction performance and fine filtration. Enjoy unlimited cleaning capability, requiring only a quick restart after 3 hours of operation. No pool is too big for this powerhouse. One button return to waterline. Still struggling to retrieve your pool robot to the shore? WYBOT's one-touch return to waterline feature solves this problem. With a simple tap on the app, the robot will return to the vicinity of the waterline, making it convenient to retrieve the robot and eliminating the need for tedious manual operations. Attacks messes using our powerful, proprietary cleaning system. Powerful 3-stage cleaning system packs 10x the power lifting suction, an edge-sweeping brush gets along walls and corners. And dual multi-surface rubber brushes flex to adjust to different pool floor material. WYBOT M100 Automatic Robotic Pool Vacuum Cleaner, Remote App Control. No more worries about stubborn dirt in your pool. With the WYBOT M100, precise cleaning is at your fingertips. Using the app-controlled manual mode, effortlessly target specific areas that need extra attention. The M100 intelligently addresses different levels of contamination, providing a more efficient and precise cleaning experience exactly where it's needed. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.